You might wonder how Epstein and Trump and all the other men who were allowed to rape little girls over the years are getting away with it. It's our culture. We've allowed it. We need to stop pretending that America holds the gold standard for women's rights, because we don't. Not even close. We throw away tens of thousands of rape kits while serial rapists walk free to rape other women. We tell women to report. We tell them to endure the exam. We promise justice. Then we let their rape kits sit in warehouses for years because clearing the backlog just wasn't a priority. Most sexual assaults are never reported. On college campuses, 1 in 5 women will be sexually assaulted. Most perpetrators will never be convicted. Women still earn less than men for the exact same work. Black women are far more likely to die in childbirth. Their babies are more likely to die before their first birthday, and this is regardless of income or education. Bodily autonomy has been stripped away in many states, even in cases of rape or life-threatening pregnancy. We claim to be the land of liberty, yet multiple states have abortion bans that carry criminal penalties for doctors. And in Texas, they created a bounty-style system that rewards private citizens for suing someone for trying to get access to an abortion. That's not freedom, that's control. And let's talk about power. President Trump was found liable in court for sexually abusing E. Jean Carroll in a dressing room. He was caught on a tape bragging about how he grabs women by the you-know-what. More than 20 women have accused him of sexual misconduct, and there have been multiple cases of young girls who have accused him of rape. And somehow those cases just went away. More than 20 women have accused him of sexual misconduct. Do we believe the women? No, we debate them. In the Trumpstein scandal cover-ups, the only person serving a full sentence is a woman. Powerful men? They remain mostly untouched. We currently have a bill that passed in the House called the SAVE Act that could create documentational barriers that disproportionately impact millions and millions of married women who've changed their names so they won't get to vote. Most rapists in America never see prison time. Marital rape wasn't illegal in all 50 states until 1993, and enforcement is still very uneven. It's still legal in some states in the United States for a judge or a parent to force a little girl who has been raped by an adult to marry her rapist. In some states, rapists are allowed to share custody of the child after they've served their prison time. And we still say liberty and justice for all. Other nations guarantee paid maternity leave, national child care, constitutional equity and protection. We don't even have an Equal Rights Amendment fully recognized. This isn't anti-America I'm talking about. It's pro-truth. Until women have equal protection, equal safety, and autonomy, it's no wonder Americans believe we have a huge cover-up that's widespread, where pedophiles were allowed to rape little girls and get away with it.